Thinking about the question of what literacy is a really important question for us as United States citizens or citizens of the world.
When you just put literacy out there, it seems so basic, like, oh, it's reading and writing, but it's more than that.
What I think of it as being is the way that language moves and operates.
The students who get a lot from this class are students who are thinking critically about education or who want to think critically about education.
It draws students from a wide spectrum of disciplines and urban studies, political science, sociology, English writing, English literature, psychology, sociology, legal studies.
And I feel like there's a lot of potential for play, for experimentation, and for students to come from their own maybe disciplinary interests and commitments and make something, think something, and make something that is valuable and usable to them.
Student in legal studies did a project of following the money, so to speak, investigating the sources of funding for various recent nationwide projects in school reform like No Child Left Behind.
There was a nursing student who put together a women's health workshop, and there was a student who ran and continued to run a youth sports writing workshop in his home community. And the most lively thing about the class was people bringing back the stories and conversations that they were having with people in the world.
There were a lot of days where the class was 90% discussion. It was almost no lecture at all. And those kind of days they're not the same, you know. You pick them up and you actually get to express your ideas. You get to speak in class. You get to bounce what you're thinking off of people.
We do lots of drafts for all of the pieces that they work on, and a lot of peer review and thinking very carefully about writing, because it's a writing intensive course. And students will often report back and say that they've learned a lot about writing in the class.
I think that a lot of people come into English classes thinking my writing's already great, I don't need to work on it, which is not true. Everyone can evolve as a writer no matter who they are.
This class taught me how to edit, and I wish that I maybe had not been a junior when I took it, because I probably could have used it earlier on.
Definitely at the end of it, I could portray my ideas a little bit more fluidly. And I think that was a big thing when I was writing my application essay.
It just seems useful. Like, I feel like it's something that I'll remember when I have an actual career.
It definitely helps you out. I think any college student should take this course, honestly.